Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. And this time we are now issuing the first initial update on Tropical Storm Karina, which developed for the past 24 hours with international name Gaemi. Okay, that's the name from Korea, which means ant. And this is for today, Sunday, July 21st, 2024. English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institution here in Naga City and the Bicol region. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Where's Karina right now? And here's our fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, Himawari 9. And there you go. The system is slowly moving towards the northwest with a slight jog to the west. And the outer bands are now affecting the eastern portions of Luzon from northern Cagayan down to Quezon. Okay. So we expect some cloudy conditions with passing light rains, light to moderate. But if you move closer to the main circulation of the storm into the inner bands up to the eye wall, it will be becoming more deteriorating. Okay, the weather will be bad. Right now, it has intensified into a tropical storm with winds of 85 kph, and it's starting to slow down. For the past 24 hours, it's now moving at around 11 kph, 10 or 11 kph. And for the next 24 hours, it will start to move towards the north in the general direction of the coastal waters of Taiwan, or in the vicinity of the Yaeyama and Miyakojima Islands. And right now, we have another storm here. This is Tropical Storm Butchoy. It has left the Philippine Air Responsibility yesterday morning, and it's now approaching the southern coastal areas of Hainan. Although it has jogged a little bit to the west-southwest, more of the steering will flow towards the north within the next 24 hours. And right now, the southwest monsoon is being steered by both of these systems. Some is moving towards the direction of Butchoy, and the other one is over to the western sections of Palawan and western Visayas. And within the next couple of days, as the system migrate towards the north, we expect that the southwest monsoon will therefore affect the western sections of Luzon, including Metro Manila, and also the area of Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro. So expect this rainfall to occur beginning tomorrow until Wednesday. And we have here the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com, UMETSAT. There you go. You can see the developing circulation. There's a dry air intrusion here, okay, which is being inserted by the moderate upper level winds, or the wind shear. So it will relax within the next couple of hours as the system will start to move towards the north. Okay, so you can clearly see here a surge of the monsoon, although it's not yet thick enough to bring very heavy rains. Areas like Antique, along the western sections of Panay, including Guimaras, Iloilo, are now experiencing some occasional monsoon rains because of the southwest monsoon being pulled or enhanced by Tropical Storm Karina. So the good news, it won't make any landfall across the Philippine Islands, especially northern Luzon, but it will bring some on and off rainfall of light to moderate to at times heavy, okay, across the extreme northern parts of Luzon as the system moves towards the north. but this is more on the outermost bands of this cyclone. And if you take a look at the latest CIMSS plot on the wind shear or the upper level winds, you can clearly see here the yellow line. This is 20 knot northeasterly wind shear, which is pushing the clouds to the west, but it's starting to weaken as favorable condition can be seen here. So as the system moves towards the north, we expect this system to intensify into a typhoon as it moves towards the Taiwan area. Now here's the track that we issued last night based on our Stormwatch number 2, and right now the system is somewhere here, okay, and it will continue to move towards the north based on the majority of the computer models without any direct threat to our country, except for the southwest monsoon that is expected to bring on and off rainfall across the western sections of Luzon within the next 2 to 3 days. And it's likely to develop into a typhoon before exiting the Philippine area of responsibility or passing over the Miyako-jima area around afternoon of Wednesday, July 24, and late afternoon it will exit the Philippine area of responsibility. So that's good news for our country. It will just bring the much needed monsoon rains across the western sections of Luzon, and including the Visayas and Mimaropa. And please take all necessary precautions, those living in the flood prone areas and landslide prone areas of the affected areas. Now let's take a look at the tracks of all Asian agencies monitoring this system or plotting this system, and it shows here that Gaemi or Karina is really moving. It will move towards the Miyako-jima or Yaeyama Island chain before making landfall over southeastern China, south of Shanghai, within the next 5 days. And if we take a look at the computer models, there are some that are tracking it towards the northern tip of Taiwan, but others are showing also over Miyako-jima. But generally speaking, it will track towards the area of Yaeyama Island chain. There is a possibility that eastern China will be spared if it follows the European model. Now here's the other one, Butchui. It will strike Hainan within the next 24 to 48 hours. So expect some heavy rainfall, strong winds over this part of southern China, that's Hainan Island. Okay, and if you take a look at the 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast, this will be until Tuesday. Beginning today, I expect the southwest monsoon will bring total rainfall amounts of more than 100 millimeters for the next 3 days, or a daily rainfall of 50 millimeters across the western sections of northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila and Occidental Mindoro, as well as the western sections of Panay, Negros, Guimaras. We'll also be expecting this rainfall of the southwest monsoon, and also over the northern part of Palawan, Calamian Group, that includes Coron, Busuanga, and also here we expect some on and off rainfall over the Bicol region, particularly the port of Pasacao, Camarines Sur, Del Gallego, Masbate, and also here over the northwestern part of Tacloban, northwestern part of Leyte, western northwestern part of Samar, and also over Bundok Peninsula. So these are the effects of the southwest monsoon for the next 3 days, but mostly the rainfall over the Bicol region, especially the western section, will be mostly in the afternoon or evening, or even during the early morning hours. Okay, but during the daytime we expect sunny to cloudy skies with winds of up to 40 or 50 kph. So expect that. as the tropical cyclone moves north and enhances the southwest monsoon. The Kalayaan Island group is also expecting rainfall for the next 3 days of a total of 50 millimeters. So take all necessary precautions against flash floods and flooding when we have a severe thunderstorm passing by over your respective areas due to the monsoon. Again, take care, stay safe always, and see you again tomorrow to give you the very latest on Karina. Bye for now. Have a blessed Sunday, and God bless.